Okay, where's it at? Come on, Dave, I'm in a hurry.
Make sure the dents aren't noticeable.
How far did you come?
The Volvo's, it looks like a brand new car.
You got me a new car!
Yes, we did.
We fooled you! Oh my goodness!
You got a new car. Can't complain.
Alright, let's do the paperwork.
Let's get no more secrets. This is getting awkward. Back up. Hey, 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 easy.
Okay. That's weird. Okay. Wait. I need to be taller. Okay, I think I'm good.
You're good? Wait, I can put belt on.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, here we go. Wait, no, we don't go.
Wait, wait. Let's try not to get in an accident on our first.
I'm used to the Expedition, so it stops really easily.
This one?
Yeah. You know the Expedition with the level of pressure on it to stop?